Hey guys, you see the hashtag crazy ideas over here, and today I'll be doing the unboxing of a Lenovo power bank which is 10400 mAh, and I ordered it through flipkart.com as you can see through the package. Now I got it for a really good discount guys. The actual cost of this product is 2500 rupees which is $37.5, but with sale I got it for 799 Indian rupees which is around $12.1 guys. So big thumbs up for Flipkart for giving this huge discount guys. So now let's just start unboxing it. I don't have an unboxing knife, I just have a normal knife guys. In the next video mostly I'll get that. Now let's unbox it. Here I unbox it guys. So now I'll be cutting the seal guys, as you can see. So now I've opened the product guys. You can see now. Oh my god, the packaging is really good guys. Now just let's take the packet out. Whoa, they have bubble wrap so that the power bank doesn't get spoiled. So I'll keep the package aside the packing on the table. Now I'll take the power bank. Oh, it looks so good guys. It looks so good. As far as the packaging, Lenovo, you did a really good job. Now let's just see the specs guys. High quality battery cell, okay. 100% capacity, fine. Non-combustible design, okay, that's really good. And this is intelligent multi-safety protection, that's good. Now as you can see here, the actual cost is 2500. No, it's actually 3000. Oh, then I received a great discount guys. Now let's just open it. I can't wait to open it. As I've shown you the back, the packing is really nice. So let's just open it. Let's break the seal guys. Okay, now let's just take it off. Whoa. So let's just keep this thing aside. First we'll see what we get in the box. I've taken out everything from the box. Now I keep the box aside. Now I keep the bubble wrap also aside and the knife. First we get a quick start guide. If you want to read it guys, you can read it. And it's in English. That's really good. Now what is this? I think this is also like manual or something like warranty card. I don't know guys. You can read it when you order it guys. So I'll just keep these things aside. You get these two paperworks in the box with the power bank. Now comes the main part guys, the power bank. No wait, we have a cable. Let's just tear it with our fingers. So now this is a good USB cable guys. This is official Lenovo USB cable. So let's keep the plastic aside. Now we'll keep this aside. Now the main part, the power bank. Wow, the power bank looks so stylish guys. As you can see, it has two outputs. Like you can charge two devices simultaneously. Now see, from here you charge it. So like, see, as you can see over here, it's 10400 mAh. So now let's keep this thing aside. Let's talk about the overall experience. So it was really good guys. As you can see the packing, they have done a really good job. Do you get two pamphlets, like not a pamphlet, like warranty card and quick start guide. Then you get this for charging, or I think connecting. Let's just see it. I never use this power bank. How is this? I don't know where do you fix that. I think over here. Let's just take it out. Mostly I think it's for charging the power. Yeah, it's for charging the power bank. You can just take the wire and just put it in your laptop or some like a charger and just charge the power bank. So let's just now basically talk about the power bank. A big thumbs up to Lenovo for making the power bank so sleek. It's not that heavy as like the Samsung and all those companies power banks are. It's really good. So I like it, and you get the battery like lights. Like if your power bank is fully charged, you get the 4 lights. If it's like 3/4, you get 3. If it's half, it's 2, and if it's 1/4, it's 1 light. So as you can see, I'll focus on Lenovo. It's really good here. Now let's keep this thing as a power bank, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. In 1 or 2 days, I'll do a review after using this for 1 or 2 days. I'll do a very good review, guys. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please like the video, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. So big thumbs up for Flipkart for giving me the discount, and a big thumbs up for Lenovo. So thank you, guys.